With each new year, Samsung's experimental folding phone series is looking less ridiculous and more revolutionary. After all, there is something truly enticing about unfolding a tablet-sized screen from out of your pocket. That's why the Galaxy Z Fold 4 release is on the horizon, and we have already begun to size up the best Z Fold 4 cases. Because just like the Z Fold 3, its successor isn't the most durable handset on market. The Gear 4 Bridgetown case is a charmingly simple design that checks all of the boxes to qualify as one of the best Fold 4 cases. It has a hinge cover and S Pen holder and wireless charging support, all without compromising on portability or protection. As an added bonus, the Bridgetown case is also reinforced with D30 material to protect the user from bacteria that build up on our phones when we bring them to dirty places, and any case that protects me as much as it protects my phone gets high marks in my book. It has antimicrobial coating, slim hinge cover, wireless power share compatible, and S Pen holder, and the cons are limited color options, could be grippier, and limited drop. The gesture required to open up the Fold 4's 7.6-inch display almost certainly creates a risk of accidental drops, especially since most people aren't adjusted to this form factor yet. I think we will soon know for sure though. Considering the hype around Fold 4 and the Flip 4, I expect that interest will continue to grow. In a year's time, I expect my theory to prove true. Foldable phones are likely much easier to drop and damage than regular smartphones, and those already had a pretty poor track record. Ideally, manufacturers would make phones sturdier, but phone cases are cheap fix until they do. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.